Hi students of class 1. Today we will do the revision of question answer of chapter 3. First 10 questions we will revise today. I think everyone has finished writing the question answer in the copy and send it to me for correction. If you have not done, please make it fast and send it to me. Those who have already finished writing the question answer, they will get ready with the computer copy. Those who have not finished, they will just listen to me what I am telling and memorize the answers of the questions. So let's start the class. The first question that we have done in this chapter is, what are the four main parts of a computer? Answer: the four main parts of a computer are monitor, CPU box, keyboard and mouse. Next, what is the use of a monitor? A monitor shows the work we are doing. What is the other name of a monitor? VDU is the other name of the monitor. Visual Display Unit is the full form of VDU. What are the types of monitor? Monitors are of two types. One has a flat screen and the other looks like a box. Write the full form of CPU. Central Processing Unit. What is CPU? CPU is the brain of a computer. It controls all the parts of a computer. The CPU placed inside a box called the CPU box. This box is also called the CPU cabinet. I am repeating the answer once again. CPU is the brain of the computer. It controls all the parts of the computer. The CPU is placed inside a box called the CPU box. This box is also called CPU cabinet. Next question. What is the use of a keyboard? A keyboard is used to write on the computer. Okay. Next. Who created the QWERTY keyboard? The QWERTY keyboard was created by Christopher Solus in 1868. Please learn the spellings of the name Christopher Solus and memorize the year 1868. So the answer I am repeating, the QWERTY keyboard was created by Christopher Solus in 1868. Next, what is the use of a mouse? A computer mouse is used to point the things at the things on the monitor. It is also used to draw pictures. What is the use of a printer? A printer is used to print the work that we have done. It is also used to print the work stored in the computer. I am repeating it once again. A printer used to print the work that we have done. It is also used to print the work stored in the computer. Now, this is the printout. And the answer is, the printed work is called printout or hard copy. So I am repeating the answer once again. The printed work is called a printout or hard copy. Next, what is the use of scanner? Scanner is used to copy the picture or text on the paper so that it can be stored on the computer. Scanner is used to copy the picture or text on the paper so that it can be stored on the computer. What is the use of speaker? We use the speakers to listen to sounds and music. The speaker is used to listen to sound and music. What is the use of headphone? We hear headphones when we do not want to disturb others with the sound. So, we wear headphones when we do not want to disturb others with the sound. What is headset? Headphones with a microphone are called headset. Headphones with a microphone are called headset. Next, what is the use of microphone? A microphone is used to record and save the sound on the computer. So microphone is used to record and save the sound on the computer. Next, what is the full form of UPS? Uninterruptible power supply. Please learn the spelling, uninterruptible. It is a big spelling, so learn it carefully. Uninterruptible power supply is the full form of UPS. Next, what is the use of UPS? A UPS is used to keep the computer working for some time when the electricity goes off. A UPS is used to keep the computer working for some time when the electricity goes off. Next, what are the types of printout we get? We get two types of printout, colored one and the black and white printout. So, two types of printout we get, colored one and the black and white printout. How are the keyboard, mouse, printer attached to the CPU box? With wire, the keyboard, mouse and printers are attached to the CPU box. Okay, so this is the revision of question 11 to 20. This is the CW work for today, and your HW work will be to learn question 11 to 20 at home and write it in your home copy at least for once, so that you can understand what are the spelling mistakes you are doing, and you can learn it once again and write it once again to rectify your mistakes. If you have any query regarding today's class, please write in the comment box. I will reply you back. Stay at home, stay healthy, do your work on time, and bye-bye.